Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana bread at home in your air fryer. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ensuring your bananas are perfectly ripe is key for a moist and flavorful loaf. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get to mixing our batter. Begin by mashing your 3 to 4 very ripe bananas in a large bowl until mostly smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 1/2 cup of melted butter and 2 large eggs. Add this wet mixture to the mashed bananas. Then, gradually incorporate the dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of sugar. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, it's time for the air fryer. Lightly grease an air fryer-safe loaf pan, ensuring it fits comfortably inside your appliance. Pour the banana bread batter into the prepared pan, filling it about 2/3 of the way. Place the pan carefully into your preheated air fryer. Cook at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean when it's perfectly baked. Once your banana bread is golden brown and cooked through, carefully remove the pan from the air fryer. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and prevents crumbling. After 10 minutes, gently remove the loaf from the pan and transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice your warm, fragrant banana bread and enjoy this delightful homemade treat. It's perfect for breakfast or a snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.